di ko ito makalimutan when I was starting, 14.75 lang per hour ang rate ko at that time. But what was different about my journey? True enough, nung sinabi kong naging dishwasher ako, ang mindset ko nun, kung may pinakamagaling na dishwasher, Shakey's at that time, ako yun. And I wanted to prove that kasi marami akong pangarap. I started with that. Learn, created a mindset na I wanted to continue to grow every moment and every day. From a dishwasher, naging oven man ako. Then na-promote ako ng pagiging isang waiter, tapos naging captain waiter. And then I was eventually promoted to becoming a supervisor. Because of how I succeeded in that aspect of my life, that catapulted me to becoming part of a business. Kasi pinirate na ako at that time. Alam mo, doon sa journey ko na yun, ang dami kong natutunan. Na napaka-importante pala, hindi kailangan tingnan kung saan ka nang galing, but kailangan tingnan kung saan ka papunta at ano ang gusto mong marating sa iyong buhay.